The laundry room at my apartment complex discontinued the use of coins. And now the only option is to download an app, which I did not want to do. They also increased the prices to do laundry, and so that was the last straw. So I decided to get a mini washing machine. As you can see here, you can actually fit quite a lot of clothing in the washer. This is a diagram or chart of the water level and washing capacity. It's kind of useful, kind of gives you a guideline. That right there is the washer's filter. And then, of course, that's low, medium, and high for the water level. This is probably the longest process, is filling up the tub with water. I recommend squeezing as much water as you can before putting the clothing or items into the spinner, and always make sure you put the spinning safety cap cover thing on. I find it easier if you divide the load into smaller chunks. It will dry it a lot easier. So at the end of washing your laundry, you're going to want to empty out the water. This is just probably the slower way, dumping a little water at a time. A better way is if your washer is at a higher place, and then you can just dump all that water out the hose. Overall, I think it's a good product. Yeah, that's about it.